everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. Before you leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. For today, I am going to be sharing with you my Sephora Gratis. I feel like I haven't posted one in a long time, and that's because I haven't gotten gratis in a long time. So I'm really excited to be sharing the products that I have received in my Sephora Gratis. And if you want to know what they are, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. And this is actually pretty random. I actually got this. This is a cute little water bottle. It says Sephora Beauty Insider, so I got that. Super cute. It's pretty small, so I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I got this. I wanted to get that out of the way because it's not obviously makeup related. So yeah, let's get into the product. This is the Somerville Glow Moisturizer. I really actually enjoy this. It's a nice lightweight gel consistency, and it's almost has like a whipped airy texture to it. It glides on the skin very nicely. It smooths everything out. I could feel my skin get hydrated like instantly, and I like it. Somerville products I really do enjoy. So I have two eye products that I'm excited to start using. This is from Dr. Dennis Gross, and it is their Hyaluronic Marine Do It All Eye Gel, which comes in a nice little jar with a pump on this. And I really enjoy testing out new eye gels and eye creams. My dark circles are pretty bad, and anything to have and keep them hydrated, I'm down for. And then a new brand that my location got is from the brand Volition. I think I'm saying that right. It's their Helix AM/PM Eye Gel, which is in a really beautiful packaging. And I believe their brand is like cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, made without a lot of those like heavy, crazy chemicals. So I'm really excited to start testing this out and see how we like it. Another moisturizer that I received is from Clinique, and this is their new and improved formulation of their Moisture Surge, and it's their 72-hour auto-replenish hydrator, which I think has like some sort of like fancy water complex in it so your skin doesn't get dried out after a couple hours when you go to apply it. Super lightweight. I like the pink color to it. It feels really super luxurious. I'm so excited that I have this in my skincare collection now. I have another moisturizer that is from Murad, and this was featured on our Hot Now tables up in the front. If you guys aren't familiar, when you guys walk into Sephora, January is our skincare month. So lots of new items that you'll see in Sephora, and this is one of them. This is new from Murad. The Nutrient Charged Water Gel. I've used this on a couple of my clients, so I'm really curious how my skin responds to this. I'm over the moon excited. I mean, I'm excited about everything. I'm so sorry if I sound like a broken record. This is from Fresh, and this is their Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask with seaweed in it. Seaweed facial, radiance facial, which looks like this. And I want to show you guys actually, because the inside of it is really cool. This is what it looks like. It gives your skin a soft radiance, evens out texture, evens out any dullness. I am so excited to use this tonight. Oh, I'm so excited. And then another product that I got, and I think that's all I have as far as skincare goes, from Boscia. And my skin loves Boscia. I am, of course, happy to have this in my collection. This is their charcoal pore pudding intensive wash off treatment. Black charcoal and white charcoal in here. Super cool. And even like the back of it, like underneath, like how it's like swirled into the jar. I just think that's so cool. I want to open it up and see, because I just love, oh my god, look how cool. It's like, look at that. That's so cool. I'm so excited. So I have to do a little research on how to properly use this just to make sure I am using it correctly, but I'm so excited. Moving right along, I feel like a kid in a candy store right now. This is from Living Proof, the one haircut item that I did receive. And this is the Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. Heat protection up to 450, cuts blow dry time in half. My brand rep, when she was training me on, she said that this is perfect for my hair type, being that my hair is pretty thick and my roots are coming in. I have like no time for my hair today, which is why it's up. So I'm really excited to test this out. I'm excited. Have you guys tried this? I would definitely love to know if you guys have tried this and if you guys like it. So let me know. I have a couple products from Anastasia that I want to talk about, and I have to say, have you guys noticed how bold my brows are? That is because I have used, for the first time ever, the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Can you guys believe that I've never used Dip Brow Pomade on my own eyes? My brows are already full and bold on their own, even with no product. I feel something like this I just never really used. Once in a while, I'll do pencils and clear brow gels on my own, but this, holy guacamole. So I am wearing the shade medium brown right now. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like my brows like this, or maybe more natural? I'm definitely gonna have to experiment with this more. And then another product that I received is their tinted brow gel, and I have the shade Espresso, which I definitely think is a good shade for me because it's a nice like mocha brown color. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this, like on like no makeup days, or when I'm getting ready for work, especially for a morning shift. So I'm excited that I now have this in my collection. And then the other Anastasia product that I did receive, I'm wearing it now. This is the Anastasia bronzer. This is technically not available yet, and I'm not exactly sure when it's going to be available in store. I know this is featured a ton on like their Instagram. I am using the shade Saddle, and it is beautiful. I am in love with it. I was afraid that it looks pretty dark in the pan, but once it's blended out, it actually looks really, really beautiful. And I definitely foresee myself wearing this a lot in the summer when I get a little bit of a tan happening. A product from Bureberry that I got, and again I am wearing it now, and this is called the Effortless Blendable Kohl Multi-Use Crayon. And I gotta say, my first impression of this, I don't like it on my waterline. It's a nice pencil, which is a nice chestnut brown color, which looks like this. And being that it's a pencil, I wasn't a fan of it in my waterline. I felt like I had to tug a little bit, but I like it a lot on my regular, you know, like my lid, my lash line lid. So I'm gonna have to experiment with this more. A mascara that I got, which again I am wearing now, that I featured in my first impression, is from Buxom, and this is their Big Tease mascara, which hopefully you guys could see. I talked about this in my first impression that I'm not over the moon excited about this mascara. I'm getting more length than volume, and I'll show you guys. It has a very similar wand compared to the Smoky Extravagant wand from Makeup Forever. A little bit thinner, a little bit more narrow, but I appreciate the size of it. So I feel like mascara, you know, just gets better with time. So we'll experiment more and see how this goes. You may see it in a favorites, you might not. We'll see. So, two primers that I received from Benefit and from Too Faced, and this is their new Benefit, the Professional Pearl Primer. And I believe when I was getting trained on this, it has like optical blurring pearl crushed pigments in it, and I have to say I like it. I am very familiar with the regular professional tube, the one in the blue tube, the original one. I am very familiar with it and I really like it, so I'm really excited to now try something different from their line. And it has had the same smoothing feel to it as the original, a very, very, very subtle hint of that glow from within. So yeah, we're going to test it out more with some different foundations. And the other primer that I received is from Too Faced, and this is their Hangover Proactive Nourishing Primer, silicone free, and this does have, I believe, coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin revivers in it. I really enjoy this primer on more drier skin, so I'm really curious how this is going to last on my skin, being that I am really oily. We have the most silver type of highlighter that I've ever used in my life, and it is from Bureberry, and this is their Silver Shimmer Illuminating Powder, which hopefully you guys could see that. It is intense, you guys. This, I mean, hopefully you guys could see. It's pretty blinding, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna have to experiment with this more. I think that silver was just an overlay, and I gotta say, I am over the moon, like in shock that I got it, because the brand is just like, oh my god. And it's Natasha Denona, and this is the eyeshadow palette 5, number 9. I don't exactly know the name of it, and all the shadows are on the back. So this is basically the palette that I got, and again, I did use this in my first impression. I'm wearing this shade right here on my lid, and I'm actually gonna swatch them because I haven't swatched these yet on my skin. Oh wow, okay, so this is a very cool toned palette. Hopefully you guys could see that. That is basically what this palette looks like. I'm just so excited that I finally have a Natasha Denona palette in my collection. So another product that I did receive in my Sephora Gratis haul is the Naked 2 palette from Urban Decay. I already do own this. This is actually mine that I pulled out from my collection. And I am already planning on, this is the one right here, by the way. I already am planning on putting this in my makeup artist freelancing kit. I am very familiar with this palette. I have had it for a couple of years now, and I really do get a lot of use out of it. I'm really happy to have this in my collection, and I like it. You have a concealer. This is from Clinique, and this is the Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer 24-Hour Wear. I'm wearing it now. First impression, I do have to say that I already know that I'm going to be wearing this with a color corrector underneath it. I appreciate that it's liquidy in a sense, so it's easy to blend in. But yeah, I have the shade medium number 15. I like Clinique products. I feel like they're a brand that their products are so classic, but like nobody really talks about their products. So I like this, and I'm happy to have this. I am a concealer junkie, so I'm always excited to try and test out new concealers. So I was pretty scared to test this out, and I'm wearing it now, and it is from Buxom. And the reason that I was a little nervous testing this out is because Buxom is known to have that plumping effect to the lips, and I'm not personally a fan of that on my lips, but I'm happy to report that this is the like Vava Plump, whatever the name of it is. It's a lip gloss, liquid lip, I think, because it's not matte, but it's not glossy. It's a very interesting formula, and I'm wearing the shade Come to Dolly, and what do you guys think? This is a totally a Katie color right now. I really enjoy it. So applicator is really nice. It does have that curved wand to it to fit the curvature of your lips nicely, and I like it. I know that they have a lot of different shades in their collection. So have you guys tried this formula? It's brand new. I want to say like a week or two ago, so yeah, I like it. And then the other two lippies that I received is one from Anastasia. So excited about this. This is their liquid lip in the shade Poet. I actually want to swatch this. I am very, very familiar with Anastasia liquid lips, but I'm always excited to test out new shades. Feel like it looks really similar to the one that I have on now from Buxom, but these types of colors I just think are so classic, and I feel like I definitely get a lot of wear out of these shades no matter what type of eye look I'm doing or no matter what outfits I'm wearing. So I like this. This is the shade again called Poet. And then the last lippy that I got and the last product that I got in this gratis haul is from Fenty. Very, very shocked that I got something from Fenty. And this is their Plush Matte Lipstick, which comes in a really cool packaging like this. And I have to say, I really like the way these feel, but I gotta say, the color that I got is like bright purple. Ooh, I don't know if I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. Oh boy. Oh god. When am I ever going to wear this color, you guys? I'm going to have to come up with some sort of tutorial or look so I can wear this type of color. This is in the shade called One of the Boys. But I do like the way that these feel. My only con about these, I don't like a rounded tip. And it's tough to get precision with these, but the packaging is just so pretty. So that is all I have in my Sephora gratis haul. I am so out of breath. I'm totally gonna go eat some lunch now. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that I featured in today's video, comment down below. I love reading your guys' comments. It always makes my day. And if you guys would like to see more gratis hauls in the future, don't forget to thumbs up this video so I know to keep making them. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I think that's all I have to say for this video, other than I love you guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye!